In this video, I'll be showing you how I remove nail polish. In my experience, this is the easiest way to remove nail polish, and it's gentle on the nails. I shall be using these soak-off clips and cotton pads, which I've pre-cut into quarters. If your nails are longer, you can cut them into larger pieces. And I use non-acetone nail polish remover. So you need to take the cotton pad and thoroughly saturate it in the nail polish remover. And then I press it onto the nail, applying a little bit of pressure on the nail plate, and then attach a clip. And squeeze the clip slightly as you put it on, so it holds it in place. And do that with all of the nails. And then I'll leave that for about 5 minutes, and then I'll come back and check. I never use acetone for this because it's too drying for the nails. The only time I use acetone is when this silk wrap needs to be removed. Then I'll soak it in acetone for say 5 minutes so that I can take off the old silk wrap. Or I also use acetone for cleaning up around the nails after a manicure. And the other reason I use acetone is to clean my stamping plates. But on my nails, on the whole of my nail like this, I never use acetone because it's too drying and too harsh. If you're trying to remove a glitter polish, some people do use acetone for that. I don't. I still find it's too drying for the nails. It just takes a little bit longer to remove, that's all. It still comes off quite easily. So I will then give it, say, 5 minutes, have a check at it, and then reapply for another 5 minutes. Even if you have to do that 2 or 3 times, it's better for the nails to stick with a non-acetone remover and let it gradually do its work. Right, that's now had a good 5 minutes, and I shall have an inspection. So I press on the cotton pad, and then I pull it, sort of press down and swipe it off with a bit of pressure. And then you can just fold it over to a clean piece and just wipe it. And then I'll take the underside and just wipe from the underside, because as I cap my nails, I very often get a little bit on the underside of the nail. There. So pressure and wipe off. And then what I do is I take a whole pad and soak that and just give it a final wipe over. Just to get any residue off. I might have missed. There, it's very easy. I'll say it's more difficult if it's a glitter polish, also a polish with some texture in it, and obviously the darker colours may take a little bit more to come off. So you can do that for 5 minutes, wipe it, and then maybe put other little fresh cotton pieces of cotton pad soaked with fresh solution, and another 5 minutes again, and you do that 2 or 3 times if you need be. But it's much better for the nails. So I've now removed the nail polish from the other hand, and the next thing I'm going to do is to scrub my nails to get all the chemicals off my nails. So I shall use a nail brush, a nice stiff nail brush with either some bar soap or some hand soap, and give it a really good scrub around the cuticles, all around the nail, and not forgetting the underneath. Give the underneath a really good scrub. Sometimes I'll also use some exfoliant, which I will scrub particularly around the cuticle area to get off any loose bits of skin around here and clean it all up, ready for doing the cuticles, which will be the next job. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.